If you're into propagating plants, you've got to try this solution to drooping, sad plants and get the Leafriend Plant Propagation Buddy. First of all, so cute. This little 3-pack from Peleg Design. It perches on the edge of a cup or a vase or wherever you're going to propagate your plants, and then it hugs the stem to hold it upright so that it propagates more efficiently and effectively and stays nice and happy. I love this little guy. It's actually made of really high quality material and you can bend the arms so that it fits around it appropriately. It's kind of a flexible material so you can squeeze it around a variety of glass or vase rims. There's no way this doesn't get comments. What a perfect gift for someone who loves plants or is just getting into plant propagation, or maybe doesn't know how easy it is to propagate their own plants, and you could introduce them to this with the Leafriend. Love this plant propagation buddy. So cute.